Assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome to the Python and Machine Learning Basics workshop. I am MD Irfan Hakim Bhuiya. So in this short video, I will walk you through the class structure, your expectations, and important components of the workshop. Okay, so let me briefly explain how each class is structured. Okay, so basically each class is divided into three key parts. First one is theoretical part, and second one is coding part, and the third one is quiz. So in the theoretical part, here the course instructor will explain the concepts and demonstrate examples visually. And this section will ensure you to understand the underlying theory and logics. Okay. And in the second part, that is coding part, in this portion, I will basically write code live on my screen, and you are expected to follow along with me. And it's a hands-on activity, so please make sure your environment is ready with Python and Jupyter Notebook installed. And at the end of each session, you will be given a task, either a modification of the code or a short challenge, and it is basically to reinforce what you learned. And one thing is, if time doesn't permit us to complete this part during class, we'll hold a follow-up session online. Okay. And finally, there will be a quiz. It will be a short 5-minute multiple choice quiz, maybe worth 10 marks, will be held at the end of the session, basically to assess your understanding. Okay. So in the additional part, there will be an assignment. So you will receive an assignment related to the topics covered in each class with a submission deadline of 1 week, maybe. Yeah, 1 week. This will help you to apply your learning more independently. Okay. And obviously, all class session will be recorded and shared with you. However, I highly recommend joining live classes, like for hands-on activities. Okay. And finally, at the end of the course, every participant will receive a course completion certificate. Okay. So let me now quickly go over the key topics we'll cover in each week. So in the first week, we'll cover the Python basics, variables, control flow, functions. In week 2, we'll cover NumPy, pandas, data handling, cleaning, disperse. And accordingly, in week 3, we will cover introduction to machine learning and semi-supervised learning. Then in week 4, we will learn classification algorithm like KNN, SVM, decision tree, XGBoost, these types of things. And in week 5, we will learn regression models. In week 4, we have learned classification algorithms, and week 5, we will learn regression algorithm. Okay, so there will be linear algorithm or polynomial and tree based. And in week 6, we will cover neural networks and hyperparameter tuning. Week 7, explainability, shape or line value, and GradCam. And in week 8, we will finally do a full pipeline real world project. Basically, uh, this is a research driven real world demonstration. Okay. And finally, uh, there's a brief overview of our workshop structure. So thank you once again for registering. Let's begin this exciting journey together.